Hey everyone, how are you? This is my latest project, which is a vintage 1997. It's a Damon Escaper, 42 foot. It is a salvaged RV with no title, and I had to do some repair work on it. First of all, I had to get in there and clean it for many days and many hours to get out all the trash, take it to the dumpster, and then I put an old free mattress in the back. The plumbing did not work. The water lines were broken. However, the sewage did work, so you were able to pour liquids down the toilet and in the sink to be able to dispose of anything. The floors and the roof were solid, even though the cabinet doors were missing on all of the fixtures. The slide outs were repaired or rebuilt about halfway, so they really wouldn't go in all the way without tremendous force. But anyhow, it had no shower either, no AC, no heat, no hot water heater. So I gave it to a friend. Hope you enjoyed it. Please